Unlock seamless data management by integrating Dropbox directly into your Microsoft Excel workflow, automating your file saving and access like never before. First, ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed and running on your computer. This is crucial for enabling automatic syncing between your local files and your Dropbox cloud storage. If you don't have it, head to the Dropbox website and download the application. Once installed and signed in, locate your main Dropbox folder. This is where all your files and folders will be automatically mirrored from the cloud, and where we'll be working with our Excel files. Now, open Microsoft Excel for this integration to work automatically. We need to save our Excel file directly within your Dropbox folder. Go to File, then select Save As. In the Save As window, navigate to your Dropbox folder. This is the key step to linking your Excel file to your cloud storage. Give your spreadsheet a name and click Save. Your Excel file is now saved within your Dropbox. Any changes you make to this file will be automatically saved locally, and then sync to your Dropbox account in the background. Let's make a quick change to demonstrate. I'll just add a number here. You'll notice your Dropbox icon, usually found in your system tray, will show syncing activity. This confirms that your latest changes are being uploaded to the cloud. This means you can access and edit this very same spreadsheet from any device with internet access by simply logging into your Dropbox account. Online future saves within this file will be automatically handled by Dropbox. Now, for even more convenience, if you want to edit this file from another computer, simply open Excel, go to File, then Open, and navigate to your Dropbox folder. You can also open it directly from your Dropbox folder on that computer, and it will be the most up-to-date version synced from the cloud. This seamless integration automates your data management, streamlines financial analysis, and ensures your valuable spreadsheet data is always accessible and synced across all your devices. Start integrating Dropbox with Excel today and experience a smarter way to manage your data.